Hello Internet. Today I'm going to have a quick look at arranging things on a web page. So as you can see here, I've got left block, right block, bottom. So it's pretty obvious what I want to do with those. If I go into the CSS, because this is where we can make the things happen that we want. Now if I do float left, you can see now that it's floating left, but right block is still kind of doing something strange over there. So we have to do something for this. Float right, and it's as simple as that. Now how are we going to deal with the bottom block? The bottom block here, that's not good. So we use something different. We use clear and both, and now it clears both, and it's doing what we wanted, which was to put the left block on the left, the right block on the right, and the bottom block at the bottom. But there's something else that we can do here as well, and I'll show you why it's important. Because we can do display block, and we can do inline. Now you see what happened when I changed it from block to inline block. So now we can do the same down here. That's not going to work for some reason. Because it says float. So if I do display, now it is displaying it, and it's not in the right position though. So we would still have to use excuse me, float to make it float to the right. Okay, so in that instance you might as well just use float. However, if there's for some reason you want to make that block disappear, you can, because now you can just put none and it disappears. And the same here, we just type none and it disappears, and even the bottom block moves up. So now if we change that back, they come back. But if you do let's take this out and do none, it doesn't really accept that. So you know, that's why display is quite good to use. So there you have it. You can have your website looking the way that you want it by using combinations of display, float, and clear. I really hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and come and check out my channel.